Lord. What up, my good people? Day 27, and today's style is gonna be subscriber's choice. I had Muharram Johnson, I hope I said that right, actually asked if I could do a curly bun video in the future, and since this is like one of the times when my hair is this curly, I guess I'll go ahead and just do that one now. So that's gonna be day 27 style. This is how I stick with my hair when it's curly at night. To see why and how, click the card right now. Pretty much what you're gonna need is two scrunchies. You can do this two ways since the hair is so curly. Like, you don't have to do too much, and depending on how much hair you have, you need two scrunchies or one scrunchie and some pins. I'm gonna try to show you guys both since it should be still relatively short. So yeah, so here we go. So when you do it, try not to pull so tight on the ponytail, because that's just gonna, you know, stretch out your curls. So first one you can do is like a really big ponytail, and it'll give you that bun look. It's just too much hair, so that's not an option. So we're just gonna probably do the one scrunchie method for this one. And pretty much you're gonna take the hair to your desired ponytail area. Take the rest of it and kind of and turn it. Apply your scrunchie. Pins. Alright, so there you have it. A little messy, but still pretty much how I would do my hair in a bun for this curly bun. Once it isn't so crinkly, I would just pretty much put it in a ponytail, like do a ponytail for the first part, and then fold it down under and put it in. Maybe in a video or two later on this week, or throughout a vlog, you'll see it, because my hair will probably be curly for like this for about a week or so. So it'll end up there, because it's how I typically wear my hair, in one of those little bun things, but it'll make like a big fan bun. But right now it's just too curly to execute the way I want to execute it. So this is our curly bun for today, and we're gonna rock this. And we're gonna call it good. So, Muharram Johnson, I hope I answered your question or your video request as you would have liked me to. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, answer any poll cards that have popped out in the corner. Check out any videos that have popped out in those poll cards, because they pertain to what you guys are seeing in this video, or what has led us to this point in this video. So until next time, be easy.